Hey Wealth Wave Warriors! Are you ready to ride the next wave of prosperity? Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of semiconductors and how you can capitalize on a massive investment that's shaking things up. But first, a quick question. What tech giant just pledged a whopping $45 billion to build chip plants right here in the US? Leave your guesses in the comments below, and we'll reveal the answer later in the video. We're talking about tiny silicon wonders that power everything from your smartphones to electric cars, and the demand is skyrocketing. This isn't just a tech trend, it's a tidal wave of opportunity, and we're here to help you surf it all the way to the bank. The answer to our question? It's Samsung. That's right, the Korean tech titan is pouring $45 billion into building cutting-edge chip fabrication plants in Texas, creating a massive ripple effect that will create jobs, boost the economy, and open doors for investors like you and me. Think about it, this investment isn't just about chips, it's about the future. It's about artificial intelligence, 5G technology, the Internet of Things, and so much more. All these innovations rely on semiconductors, and Samsung is placing a huge bet on this growing demand. So, how can you get a piece of the action? First, consider investing in semiconductor companies. With the CHIPS Act providing billions in subsidies, companies like Samsung are poised for significant growth. Research the industry, find companies with strong fundamentals and innovative technologies, and ride the wave of their success. Second, think about the local impact. This investment is creating thousands of jobs in Texas, which means a surge in housing demand, local businesses, and infrastructure development. Investing in real estate or local businesses in the area could be a smart move. Third, invest in yourself. The semiconductor industry needs skilled workers, from engineers and technicians to data analysts and software developers. Upskilling or learning new technologies related to this field can open doors to lucrative career opportunities. Finally, keep an eye on the startup scene. This massive investment will likely spark a wave of innovation in related fields. Look for promising startups developing new chip technologies, software, or applications and consider investing early for potentially high returns. Remember, the wealth wave is all about recognizing opportunities and taking action. Samsung's investment is just one example of the exciting things happening in the world of technology and finance. Stay informed, research, and most importantly, don't be afraid to dive in and ride the wave.